What's up, YouTube? You got old Box Dumper here, and we're gonna do another game. Today we're gonna do World of Warships. As you can see, I got one of my ships up. This is my cruiser I got going on here. It is the Klingon skin. Love this ship. Loads quick. And then I got my battleship here, which is the Alabama. Also a great ship. I would love to get the Enterprise, but I haven't been able to get it yet. So, yeah, we're going to see how this works out. I think we're going to use my cruiser and do operation. Yeah, let's have some fun, shall we? Hopefully it doesn't take too long to put us into a mission. There we go. Let's see what we got. Oh, crap. So this mission is not exactly easy by any means, but let's see what we got here. Looks like we got 3 battleships. There's a cruiser, a couple cruisers, destroyer. Over here.
Jenkins, ready to lead the attack on the enemy base.
Get some hits. Ain't giving me nothing. There we go. Dude, learn to drive. There's the pointage. I can shoot faster than those battleships. Cruiser over there, but he is out of my range. Looks like we got a destroyer on a battleship coming in over here, which is a good thing. I'll follow them in. That cruiser's definitely out of my range.
Enemy
covered, boys. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. That's a battleship. Oh, jeez, he's right there. Wait, 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 wait. Yo. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Yes.
Enemy battleship destroyed.
Forgot I had torpedoes on here. Oh man. Helps starve it my own armament.
We must fight him. Focus on this enemy.
See if I can get down here and help out the battleship here. Where are you? There you are. Probably out of range. And we'll go ahead.
Smoke generator started. Smoke screen set.
Alright, let's take out their transport, shall we?
Attention. Main task complete. Retreat to the designated area.
Main task complete. We still got these transport ships we gotta take out. Alright, they're taken out. What the hell? There was a battleship right here. Where the hell did he go? Alright, we are tearing up this operation. Let's move on to the next one, shall we? Dr. Pepper, you gotta love it. Oh, got company way out there. He's probably way out of my range. Yeah. Can't do nothing there. I don't know how to do the text chat on this, so yeah. Or I could talk to my other teammates. Dude, are you why are you going over there, dude? There's a battleship over there. You seriously gonna try to go over there by yourself?
Reconnaissance reporting. The second enemy reinforcement party is approaching.
A worthy opponent! We must fight him!
I'm not doing too bad. I've sunk one ship. I've gotten quite a few hits. Looks like I've earned 67,000 so far, so that's not too bad for coming out here with the little cruiser.
Focus on this enemy!
I mean, I like this game, you know, because, I mean, the graphics are good. They do excellent with the ship details and stuff. The only thing I don't like about World of Warships is unless you pay, you have to do a lot of grinding to get any of this stuff. So, like, I'm really grinding trying to get the Enterprise, because I have the skin for the Enterprise off of Star Trek, which I want to put on there, but I can't do that until I get the Enterprise, which is kind of a bummer. But it's taking me a while. I don't know if I can get. I don't know if I can hit him. No, he's still out of my range. Trying to get in range. There we go. I didn't see. I hate when it does that. There we go. Now we can get some. Lean into too little too much.
Enemy destroyer sighted!
You're being sneaky. You're trying to turn. Still getting some hits on you though.
Reconnaissance reporting. The third enemy reinforcement party is approaching.
This is Commander Jenkins. Ship damage. Leaving the battle area.
Enemy cruiser detected!
This is Commander Jenkins. Things are taking a turn for the worse.
Enemy battleship!
I ain't going nowhere, dude. I'm gonna keep shooting you.
This target is the most important!
With everything I got. Oh crap.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
This is Jenkins. Ship is dead in the water and healing. We're sink.
Problem solved, sir. Smoke screen set.
What was shooting? Oh, there you are. Were you the one that was shooting me? Here. Take a whole bunch of volleys there. I don't know where he went. Looks like we lost one of our destroyers. Oh, there. Oh, Jesus. Where did he come from? There's another volley for you.
Reconnaissance reporting. The 4th enemy reinforcement party is approaching.
Keep moving. I need to get back up here with my teammates. Definitely don't want to be by myself.
A worthy opponent! We must fight him! Coming your way! Only 5 minutes remain for this glorious battle!
Come on, little cruiser. There we go. We're almost getting up into the fight here.
Torpedoes dead ahead!
Reconnaissance reporting. The 5th enemy reinforcement party is approaching.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about right there. Not too bad. You know, I did 83,000 damage, so that's not too bad. Ooh, got 8 chests. Let's go in and take a look. Probably gonna be all useless stuff. Pretty much. Yeah, but then there's my Alabama. This ship is awesome. Like I said, I just love. I mean, look at the detail that they put into each one of these ships. It's just awesome. But anyway, this was just a short little video tonight, because I'm probably going to be putting up another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little battle. And if you like my videos, give me a like, or even post some comments. I'm always up for comments. And if you want, subscribe. Buttons down there on the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching, and you all have a good night.